So this is question number 7. It says the marks obtained by 10 students in a test scored out of 60 is given as follows. So you have 29, 38, 26, 42, 38, 45, 35, 37, 38 and 31. Okay, this is 31. So to find the range, we will be using this formula, which is range is equal to the highest score minus the lowest score. So the highest score was given to be as 45. From that you take away 26, you will get 19. So this is going to be the value for range. Next, we've been asked to get the median. Now to get the median, we will have to arrange all the data points in ascending order. So if we were to do that, we'll start with 26, 29, 31, 35, 37, 38, and then apparently we have 38, then 38, then 42, and finally we got 45. So what we would do is we will strike the first versus the last, the second versus second last, third versus third last, fourth versus fourth last, and what we are left with is 37 with 38. We need to add them up and divide by 2. So this is going to be our median, and if we were to do that, the answer would be 37.5. So next we are asked to determine the interquartile range, which has a formula Q3 negative Q1. Now Q1 is called as the lower quartile, and we have what is called as the upper quartile. Which is Q3. Now to get the Q1 and Q3, foremost we will have to have the values 26, 29, 31, 35, 37, 38, 38, 38, 42, 45. Okay. Now our median actually falls over here. So from here we will extract Q1, and from here we will extract Q3. So to get Q1, strike the first versus the last, second versus second last. So Q1 will be 31. Similarly, get Q3, first versus last, second versus second last, and we have 38. So Q3 is 38. So therefore interquartile range, which is represented as IQR, is given as Q3 negative Q1, which is 38 negative 31, which is equal to 7. So this is the IQR value. Now this is the next question. We are asked to find the probability that a student chosen at random scores less than of the total mark. So what are the total marks that we got? 60. So what is the half of total marks? 60 over 2, 30. So number of students who scored less than 30. How many are there? we have only 26 and 29, which is just 2. So therefore the probability of finding such a student score is nothing but the favorable case is 2. Right, what are the total number of students? They are 10. So 2 divides here, 5 times is 1 over 5. We multiply with 100, you get 20% success. Okay, so that is the solution. 20% is the success rate for this particular selection or for this probability. Now this is the next question.